Hello friends and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Iballdesigningdeveloper. Like in the previous videos, we have learned about React 18, and in the previous video, I have told you what is styling in React 18. So today we are doing the different project related to React 18, and in this video, I will be telling you what is forms in React 18 and how to make a form using React 18. We'll be building a simple form using React 18, and I'll be telling you what the tags we will be using. This will be simple tags we'll be using to build this form like we build normally in HTML or CSS. Like that we'll be building, we'll be using same tags, but tags should be different from the HTML because we are having same tag but different things, like to open that tag and to close that tag we are getting different things to do that all the stuff. So I'll be telling you how to make a form using React 18 and what are forms in React 18. So remember to hit a like to this video, and if you enjoy this video, so hit the subscribe button, and after subscribing hit notification bell from which will be notified with all the future videos. And also share this video so more people can learn and they can take benefit of these amazing things. I'll be uploading more videos like that, and I hope you'll be enjoying that. So let's now we'll be starting with our video and seeing what is this amazing React 18 forms in React 18. So just like I'm telling you in this video, I will be telling you what are forms in React 18 and how to work with forms. So just now we'll be starting with that and seeing what are forms in React 18. We'll be starting from basic, and I'll be just making a simple form for you. Uh, I will be not putting so much styling in that. I will be just building it totally from start. Then we'll be moving on to end also. So just here now I will be opening my VS Code and my default Google. You can say this Opera or Microsoft Edge browser, because I work on this using React 18. When we are just doing these all tutorials, I was using this browser and this text editor. So in the previous video we have learned about styling, in which I have telling you how to change the font family. So this was the tags of that. I'll be removing this because in the previous video we have learned, and you can check my previous video. We are just getting the I button at the top. So from the top you can just see my video here. So just now we are just getting this div tag, and using this div class name app tag we will be also building a form here, because this video is about forms like I've telling you in React. So just now we'll be starting with that and seeing how to build a form. So for building a form, first of all, like you all know that we have to make an input tag like we do in HTML. So I will be simply making an input tag. In input tag I'll be writing type. Now in type you can write any type, like if you want you should be having the type of button, checkbox, color. So we want that our type should be text, so we can get our input box here. So here in input box you can also write a placeholder. In placeholder you can write the placeholder which you want here, like you can write enter your name like this, or you can take this Y to capital. Now just you have to save. You can see we are getting an input box which is saying that enter your name, and when it is saying this thing, just if you want that, we also get a thing like this. If I just move here and if I write here like p tag, in p tag I'll be writing name like this. Save this. Then you can see we are getting this thing also here like this. We are getting this name written here. Reload. So you can see we are just getting here name. So when you are getting this thing, just I will be moving at the front. After moving at the front, just you have to move down, and after moving down I will be making input tag again, but before that I will be making a p tag. So simply here I will be making a p tag in which I will be writing password, and when you return this just give a space, then make input tag again, and here in input tag I will be writing here type. Now here I'll be writing type should be password, so we can get the dot dot value here. Then in placeholder you have to write enter your password. So here I will be writing enter your password. Save. Now we are just getting name here which is saying the placeholder enter your name, and then we are getting the password which is saying that enter your password. Now when you are getting this here, just you have to do like, now you have to make a submit button, because when we have built this name and this checkbox, or you can say this input box, then we have built the password and we are getting the password value. Now we have to build at the last our submit button, in which we have to just submit our form. So here I will be moving down in this div tag, then I will be making an input again, and in input I will be now making a type is equals to button, and here I will be writing value, and in value I will be writing here submit. Just you have to close this. Save. Now we are getting the submit button. Now if you want that this submit button should be moving down, so for doing that just move after this input tag of password which we have just built, and after writing this you have to just now write here br tag, then you have to just now close it by writing this. Save. Now this button is down. Just you have to copy this br tag, because I think that it is not too much down here. I want some space again. Now you can see we are getting now some space. If you want that you get more space here also, so you can see now we are getting too much space, but I think that 2 br tag is good here. We should not want 3. You can see now we are getting. So here we have just built this simple form. I have not put so much styling in that. Just I want to show you how to just put the input tags and how to just build it simply, and how to use placeholder in that. So like this we can just build a simple React 18 forms, and in the coming up videos we will be building a advanced form also, like in which I will be telling you how to just full how to build registration from start, like sign up to login. I'll be telling you. This was the simple form which we have built, like in which I've written name, password, and the checkbox. And you can see in the password we are getting the password value when we write our password. So we are getting dot dot value. So like this in the password we are getting. So remember to write in the type password, then you will be getting these values. If you not write that, so you will be getting same text. Like here I've written text, so here we are getting the simple text like as, which I have written here. So like this you can build, and this is the submit button which we have built. So this was the simple React form which I want to show you, and like this you can build forms using React 18. So we have learned about forms in this video, and in the coming up videos I'll be telling you different things using React 18, and we will be just building more other stuff using different languages I'll be telling you. So just remember to check that out. You can also check my previous React 18 videos which I have uploaded, like from start to end, in which I've telling you how to build a new React tab, how to use React 18 from start. So just I hope you'll be understanding that all stuff. So remember to see this that videos also. So I hope you understand this. Hit a like, subscribe, and also hit notification bell from which you'll be notified with all the future videos, and share this video also so more people can learn. So just I'll be meet you next project with more amazing things and more amazing tutorials. So for today, good bye.